In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your status on Microsoft Teams. Whether you're stepping away from your desk for a moment, focusing on a project, or just need to let colleagues know you're busy, changing your status on Teams is an essential skill for managing your availability in a professional setting. Let's walk through this simple process together. First, you'll want to navigate to teams.microsoft.com in your web browser. Once there, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Microsoft account. Make sure you have your credentials handy. You'll need your email address and password to gain access. If you're already signed in, it's even easier. You'll be taken directly to your Teams interface without any additional steps. Now that you're logged in, let's proceed to the status options. At the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice your profile icon. This is where all your personal account settings are located, including your current status. Click on that profile icon, and a menu will drop down. Within this menu, you'll spot your current status, which might say something like Available. Go ahead and click on your current status to see the various options available. You're now at the stage where you can choose a new status. You'll see a list of different availability options that you can select from. The first one, Available, signals to your teammates that you are free to communicate and collaborate. If you're deeply engaged in work and prefer not to be disturbed, you might want to select Busy. For even more focus, the Do Not Disturb option ensures that notifications are muted, providing you with the peace you need. Perhaps you just need a quick break, or are stepping away for a short while. Be Right Back signals just that to anyone who might be trying to reach you. If you simply want some privacy but are still around, Appear Away is a discreet choice. And lastly, there's Offline, which makes it appear as if you're not logged into Teams at all, ideal for those times when you want to check messages without being interrupted. And that's it. You've successfully changed your status in Microsoft Teams. Altering your status is a small but powerful way to manage professional interactions throughout your day, ensuring that colleagues know when you're available or need focus time. With just a few clicks, you can communicate your availability clearly, helping to maintain a productive workflow. Remember, your status can be updated as your workday progresses, so feel free to change it whenever your context changes. Thank you for joining me and happy collaborating on Microsoft Teams.